Hello everyone. Today we continue with the chapter 4 and today's our topic is pollination. What is pollination? The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to stigma is called pollination. This picture shows the pollination by a bird. Most flowers are brightly colored and have a sweet smell. This attracts insects such as bees and butterflies and even tiny birds such as hummingbirds. Flowers produce a sweet liquid called nectar, which is formed at the base of the pistil. Bats, butterflies, insects, and hummingbirds drink the nectar as food. Next picture shows the pollination by a butterfly. Bees and butterflies carry pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the flower. It is the first step in the formation of seeds. From seeds, new plants grow. This picture shows the pollination by a bee. Bees collect nectar from flowers and make honey. They also play an important role in pollination. But the number of the bees is declining day by day. Next topic is process of pollination. The insects' bodies have a tiny hair. Some of the pollen grains from anthers rub off onto the insect's wings, otherwise legs, and other body parts when the insects suck nectar from flowers. When these insects move to other flowers, some of the pollen grains from their bodies fall on the stigma of flowers. This is the process of pollination. Here, the picture shows the first stage of the pollination. First stage, pollen grains from stamens stick to a bee as it visits a flower to collect food. That is the first stage. And the second stage, the bee travels to another plant of the same type. And the third stage, pollen grains on the bee stick to a pistil of a flower on the other plant. So this is the 3 stages of pollination. Pollination in flowering plants. So today we have learned pollination and the process of pollination. And today's your homework is do exercise 3, page number 44 in the textbook and in the copy. Write true or false. The stamen is the male reproductive part of a flower. True. Cross-pollination involves the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same flower. True. Monosexual flowers contain both a stamen and a pistil. False. The gynosium is also known as the anther. False. The tulip plant shows cross-pollination. True. The ovary is a two-lobed structure. False. The anther is attached to the filament. True. So do this exercise in the copy and textbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.